Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In the last video, we talked about monitors. Today we're diving into one of the lesser known but really useful OBD Mode 5. If you've ever wondered how to check if your oxygen sensors are working properly, this is exactly what you need. These sensors play a big role in your engine's fuel efficiency and emissions. Let's break it down. Mode 5 is basically a diagnostic mode that helps check how well the oxygen sensors are working. It only applies to older vehicles, specifically those built before 2008 that still use the older non-CAN protocol. Here's what happens. When the engine's running, the ECU runs a series of automatic tests on the oxygen sensor. These tests are designed to see how the sensors react to rich or lean fuel mixtures. Mode 5 then gathers the results, so you can figure out if a sensor's still doing its job or starting to go bad. Alright, now let's take a look at what these test results actually look like and how to read them the right way. When you access Mode 5, your scan tool pulls up a set of key data that helps you understand how each oxygen sensor is performing. Here's what you'll typically find. Sensor ID. This tells you which oxygen sensor is being tested. For example, it might say B1S1 or B2S2. Test ID, or Component ID. This shows the specific type of test being run on that sensor, like checking the voltage threshold when switching from rich to lean or measuring the switch time. Test value. This is the actual value that the ECU recorded during that test. Minimum and maximum values. These define the normal range for that test. If the test value falls outside this range, it could mean there's a problem with the sensor. And there you have it, is a great tool if you're working on an older vehicle and want to check whether the oxygen sensors are doing their job properly. It's simple, it's useful, and if your scan tool supports it, it can save you a lot of time. Now, what about modern cars that use the CAN protocol? In the next video, we'll talk about Mode 6. A mode designed specifically for newer vehicles, and it gives you even more detailed diagnostic data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.